Work today, of course. Oh my god, something needs to break the cycle. I can't keep going on like this. I wish something interesting would happen to change this dull ass life. Like finding a girlfriend. They say that if you're not happy single, you won't be happy in a relationship, though. Whatever. A cat girl in my house. Now, okay, I know I've been missing my sleep schedule lately, but this is a little too real. Rubbing my eyes doesn't work? I guess this is real then. Whatever. If this is a dream, then just wake up, me. Hey, wakey wakey. Quiet. It's like 5 in the morning. Please don't be so loud. Yeah, don't worry. I know the script. Human, please don't hurt me. Yeah, I heard too many audios like this, and I don't even understand it. Like, why would I even hurt you? You don't look like a home invader, and besides, you're a tiny little cute cat girl, and most humans would love that, including me. So fret not. But I would like to know why you're in my house. You were chased by a catgirl addict. That's a new one. Well, I guess I get why you begged for me to not do anything weird. I'm sorry you had to go through that. So, do you plan on living here for like a day and then move on, or do you not have anywhere to go? The latter. Well, as some old Chinese curse says, I hope all your dreams come true. And that one's saying as well, the. Oh wow, I'm surprised a cat girl like you knows about it. I thought you were supposed to act animal like with IQ below 80. Don't mind me. That's right, be careful what you wish for. I guess I brought this upon myself. Yeah, I'll let you stay. Besides this being a pretty cool addition to my lore, I'd also want to be taken care of if that happened to me, so make yourself at home. Don't go shitting on the floor, though, please. Sorry, I again presumed you're kinda a stupid bunch. Don't take it personally, though. So, do you have a cat like personality, or did all those ASMR roleplays make that up too? Hell yeah, I'm a fan of that. So, are you hungry, or do you need to take a shower or something? How did I know? Let's say I'm an experienced abused catgirl audio enjoyer. Anyway, come with me. I was on my way to make some breakfast anyway. I find it kinda weird. You're pretty trusting towards a random human for someone who just had to break into someone's house to hide from a different human. Oh, you climbed through an open window. Ah, sorry, then you didn't break in, you just trespassed and illegally entered private property. Yeah, I'm just teasing. I'm not reporting you to the police or anything, don't worry. I'm so down to earth it surprised you? And? So I'm so real that you just trusted me right away. Well, works for me. So, I've been having eggs for breakfast since I've started living alone, and I'm not confident if I can make anything else. Do you like eggs? Great, I'll get right to it then. Oh, I forgot to ask your name. Of course I can talk while cooking. You heard men can't multitask? Well, you wouldn't be wrong. But I did this particular task so many times that it's pretty much automatic now. Oh, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you. Now, I know you just lived through a somewhat traumatic event, but your fluffy ears look really nice, and I have the urge to touch them. You let me? Bro, what? What? No, you're supposed to get all shy and deny it at first, but then warm up your cat-like tsundere personality to me, but you just agreed right away. Kinda ruins the dramatic tension or something. But whatever, I still will take you up on that. She did blush a little just now. Hell yeah! I mean, I can't show my excitement or she'll tap into her tsundere personality. Is the food edible? Oh, wow, thank you. I have to say, I do cook this meal every day, so it should be objectively pretty good, but it feels different when someone actually tells you. Yeah, you can just leave the plate on the table. I'll take care of it. By the way, aren't you tired? I mean, I found you out cold on the floor, so that must have been not only really uncomfortable, but also pretty chilly. Would you like to head back to bed? I'll let you use mine. Okay, but first you need to brush your teeth. I'm not letting you go to bed without having brushed your teeth. I should have an extra toothbrush here. There it is. Hold up. Let me make up for my past mistakes. You know perfectly well how to brush your teeth. Ha! I knew it. Okay, so now you're ready to get tucked in. Yeah, I have some spare clothes. Here you go, I'll wait outside. Damn, taking care of a catgirl is tougher than I thought. What? No, nothing. I didn't say anything. So now you're ready to go to bed. Okay then, here's my room, there's my bed, good night and sweet dreams. Wait, that sounded insincere. Really, have a good rest. Running from that creep had to be an unpleasant experience. Ears? Oh, that's right, we talked about something of that sort. If I want to do you a relaxing ear massage, you let me? It's what I promised. With a cute blush, I'm fucking melting. Well then, leave it to me. Um, I say that, but I've never done these before, so if it hurts or start being annoying, then please tell me.